What's up, everybody? Just wanted to talk about the jacket I picked up. It's the Carhartt Sierra Sandstone jacket, black of course, and just got it today. Haven't used it. This is not a review. I just wanted to talk about the jacket I just picked up. I am 6 feet tall, about 180 pounds, slight belly. This jacket is a large. So as you see, this is how it fits me. Sleeves are perfect. Got that, oh yeah, that feels good. Doesn't ride up, just free motion. Oh, that feels good and loose. That's nice, I like that. I like the feel of it so far. Feels good, here's the side view. Like I said, I have a slight belly, but it feels good, hugs me real nice. I ordered an extra large originally, and then I switched that extra large to a large because I thought it would be too big. Bear with me, guys. I've been drinking Jack Daniels. Had a couple shots of that. Oh yeah, feeling good. Feeling good on this Wednesday night. Anyway, here's the jacket. I like the fact that this goes down right here. It actually covers. I don't wear my pants on the hip. It's slightly off the hip, but I don't sag. But yeah, I like the fact that it comes down right here. As you see on the side, it comes up a little bit right here, and there you go. You got your hand warmers. It's pretty hot in here right now. It's really warm. You do have these right here that blocks the air out. I actually just ironed this. That's why it's a little shiny like this. I just got it today. I dried it in the dryer to kind of tumble a little bit, and then I ironed it. I like the shiny look here and there. You can't really tell on the camera, I'm sure, but the way the iron makes it look, just like my overalls. Anyway, I love this zip-up zipper here. Change, all kinds of stuff's gonna go in that bad boy. Rugged zipper. Here's the hoodie. Oh, it's super hot right now. It feels really warm. I'm not just exaggerating here. This is really warm. It's the Sherpa lining, and the Sherpa lining is black. Paid $119 for this. Tax total $129, but it feels really good. I've always wanted this jacket. I know with this duck, it's cotton, but it's duck fabric. If you snag this on something, it's not gonna rip. And if it does rip, the hole doesn't get bigger. Anyway, love the pocket it has right here. Nice big pocket right there. And you have this, oh, hello, how's it going? You can shut the door. Hey, love. Anyway, you have this pocket right here. It's Velcro. It's pretty deep. You can put whatever you want in there. Hey, love. And you can even put Zoe, your daughter, in there. What's going on, darling? Hey. Anyway, just wanted to talk about it. I really like the back. So it comes down right there. So it's not all up on my waist, showing my butt or anything like that, or my underwear. No one likes to see that. And yeah. Here we go. The dog just walked in. It's fine. Let's zip it up. Let's, oh yeah. Right there, you're perfectly comfortable. And now, I sit at the desk all day. I'm not going to say I'm some buff construction guy or nothing like that, but I do work in my wood shop. I have a barn. I make wood. I do welding from time to time. I like to have fun in the backyard. I swing a sledgehammer. I do projects. I can do a project in this jacket really good. Like I said, the motion, it just feels really good. Loose, but not too loose. It's not over baggy and saggy. The Dickies jacket I have, it's over baggy and saggy. Some other clothes, jackets I have, but I decided to get this large because I wanted it to fit me, but I want it to be something I can actually work in, but go to dinner at Texas Roadhouse and look nice at the same time. Not overly baggy, fits me just perfect. Boom. I like the look of this. How do I look? How does the jacket look? If you like the look, then go ahead and pick it up. I'm actually going to pick up another one, but a different style. But yeah, it feels good. Like I said, it's 40 degrees outside right now. In here it's probably 70. Like super hot right now. Like I said, the way the lining is on the wrist keeps the air out. It's really hot in here with the Sierra. And yeah, look at that big zipper right there. It's pretty big. Like the gold zipper. Anyway, I really like this jacket. As you see, look guys. See, I told you, you have the belly. When you zip it up, You don't really see it that much. I'm not sucking in, this is how I am. So, anyway, I'm gonna get the light one that's rainproof without the hoodie because I want to keep it super sleek sometimes. And if I have a professional meeting I got to go to, I'll go. But this is going to be my everyday wear for when I'm in the office, when I'm outside working. You know, like I said, I live both worlds. So yeah, this feels really nice. It's not Sherpa on the inside of the sleeves. It's what is that, fleece? I'm not sure exactly, but what's in there? That's what it is, guys. The, you know, typical inside of the jacket, so it's not super sweaty in here or anything. You can put on a long sleeve shirt, put your jacket over it, it slides right over, and the inside of it is the Sherpa. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, ask. Please like, subscribe to the vids. I just made a video of the Carhartt duck bib flex overalls I have. Those are nice. But to be honest with you, I like the thicker, this is a 12-ounce jacket. I like the duck bib overalls, the thick material. This is Sandstone, by the way. Just to let you know, Sandstone is where they slightly and lightly sand it to give it that worn-in feel. And they wash it before they ship it to you. So it's washed, it's sanded, so it's broken in. It's not like that stiff duck bib like the overalls I have. They're really stiff, which I like. But I knew I didn't want my jacket like that. I knew exactly what it was going to be. It's Sandstone, so it's real soft, it's real nice. It feels broken in. You know, after wearing it, you know, after I wear it, you know, a couple years, few years, it's going to be even more broken in. And that's what I wanted on the jacket because I'm used to wearing leather jackets. I wanted something that was going to be real loose, but I wanted to change up from the leather. You can't really do what you want in a leather jacket, and that's more so for style. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But I do have a video coming of the black duck bib Carhartt overalls coming up pretty soon. I'll probably do that this week sometime. Peace.